How to link your TikTok account to CapCut. So let's get started. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you also want to link your TikTok account officially to CapCut, here's what you need to do. So I always recommend that you should have already logged into a TikTok account. So let me just quickly show you that I have already successfully logged into my TikTok account. So always make sure you have logged into your account, and once you successfully logged into your account, now simply head back to CapCut application, and once you're inside here, just tap on this me button at the bottom right corner and make sure you are logged into your account inside here as well. And now simply select this gear icon at the top right corner, which is a settings icon, and click on this edit profile button over here. And at the bottom of your screen you should see there are options for links. So you can basically add two different links, that is either of TikTok or YouTube. So you can also add both of them. So let me just quickly show you by simply tapping on this add for TikTok. And as you can see, if you have already logged into your TikTok account, as I said earlier, it will automatically detect your TikTok profile and simply click on continue. And once you click on continue, it will automatically link your TikTok account to CapCut, just like that. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.